In this video, we'll look at how to show ligands and how they interact with the residues surrounding them. So in the previous video, I discussed how to show your waters as well as any other ions present, how to change them into a sphere representation and to change the color as well as the size. So now that we've done that, let's identify the ligands. So to identify these ligands, go over to your protein object, go to Action, down to Preset, and then go to Ligands. But the backbone of the DNA and protein molecules are still shown, even if they do not interact with the ligands. So what we can do to minimize this view a bit is go to the protein object again, hide, and say hide ribbon. So this removes the backbone of the non-interacting amino acids. And here we can see that the ligands are shown as the sticks and the surrounding amino acids or bases it interacts with is shown as sticks. The yellow dashed lines show the hydrogen bonds, and you can change these colors by going over to the color, the polar contacts, and you can change their color. So please note that these dashed lines indicate the polar interactions, and interactions where there are no dashed lines means that these are your non-polar interactions. But at the moment, we cannot see our waters or our iron molecules. So for that, we go over to our selection, go to show as spheres, and we can see specifically here, these are the ions interacting, and these over here are the waters. But if you were to show these waters as spheres as well, some other non-interacting waters also appear. So it'd be best to not show the waters as spheres, but rather rely on the crosses or select them separately and then show them as spheres.